Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make jump throw bind in CSGO. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Steam client, go to library and then find a CSGO and right click on it and go to properties. And after that, then go to local files, browse, and then the new window pops up here. Then go to a CSGO folder, CFG, and create new document here. Text document, and then open the text document and copy this code. And then you need to, as you can see here, put the whatever keybind you want, right? For example, let it be X. And then you need to press File, Save As, and make sure to do all files here, and make sure to you can write whatever you want, but in the end it should be .cfg, right? And press save. And after you do that, then you need to go back to Steam library here, and then you need to go to general, and here you need to just write plus xx here, and then you can write whatever you want, but I will write jump throw, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to make jump throw bind in CSGO. So I will leave the code in the description below, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.